Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can combine PDF files. Okay, let's get into it guys. First thing first, we need to go to our browser. For example, I'm going to open my Google Chrome and we can search for combine PDF. Combine PDF online. And there will be some websites you can use to combine your PDF files. And I'm just going to choose this one, that's combinepdf.com. Okay, just click on the website to open it, and you can select upload files and choose the PDF files you want to combine. For example, I'm going to combine these two PDF files, and we can click on open and wait for a moment until the files have been uploaded to this website. And once the file have been uploaded, you can select combine, but before it, you can customize the position like this. Okay, and select combine. Okay, and now the PDF files have been merged, and this is the result. I'm going to open it. Okay, this is the final result guys. Okay guys, and that's how we can combine our PDF files. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.